Welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze, and I'm your instructor Neha. Welcome to day 3 of our 10 minutes yoga sessions. I hope you're enjoying it. Please do share these videos with your friends and families so that they can also practice along with us. And the most important thing, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, now we will begin with our practice. I would strongly recommend अगर आप नए आए हैं चैनल के ऊपर आप पहले day 1 से start करिए, then day 2 करिए, and then day 3 पर आइए. So चलिए, now we will begin with our session. Please sit comfortably in Siddhasana. Both the hands in your Jnana Mudra. Back gently straight and eyes closed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Calm down. Relax your body, your mind. Relax your thoughts, your breathing. Calm down. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Welcome everyone to the session again. Today we are going to practice some of the supine asanas. Please lie down on your back. You can go on one side first and then go on your back, or you can bend your knees a little bit and gently roll down on your back. Breathe in and out. Relax your breathings a little bit. Now we will start by placing both our hands under our hips like this. Okay, palm facing down and placing under your hips. Both the legs will be straight. Now we are going to practice a very simple thing. You just have to try to lift both your legs up at 10 degrees and hold here. Okay, your core muscles, your stomach muscles will be engaged a lot. Okay, we will try to hold here for at least 30 seconds. If 30 seconds is too difficult for you, just drop it down for 1 or 2 second max and then again lift up. Okay, and find your stability at a particular point. Try not to move your leg up and down. Okay, at a particular point, we are trying to find our stability and breathing continuously. Okay, let's begin now. Lift up to 10 degrees and hold. Now make sure we are not holding our breath, only the position. 20 more seconds. You will feel a little bit shivering in your core. That is also okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Relax. It looks easy, but this is very exhausting practice. It's okay. Just take a breath and relax yourself. Calm down. Sure, let's continue now. Fold your legs. Keep it at shoulder level distance and we'll go for crunches. Interlock your fingers. Place them under your head. Inhale when you're down. Exhale when you're up. Head and chest should be up. Feel the crunch in your core. Up and down. In a gentle, regular speed. No need to rush. At least 20 counts we are going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a breath, inhale and exhale, calm down. Breathe in and out. At least 4 to 5 deep breaths, not more than that. You don't have to cool down completely, okay? Now what we are going to do, we are going to fold our legs like this and take them straight up to 90 degrees. Now take both your hands, place them up. Now we'll be going for cross crunch. Take your right hand to your left toe, left hand to your right toe. This way we have to continue in your own gentle speed. Keep breathing continuously. Make sure to practice at least 20 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs down. Take a breath. Now we will increase our speed. Okay? Now both the legs again up only for 10 counts. Both the hands here itself. Okay? Lift your neck also up and continue. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Calm down. Inhale and exhale, calm down. Now we'll continue with Setu Bandhasana. Again, fold both your legs, hold your heels. Now, if you're not able to reach your heels, just place your hands on the side. Okay, and we'll go for some back stretch. Breathe in and lift your middle body up and stretch and hold. Keep breathing here as well. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. From here, just hug your knees tight and hold. Inhale and exhale. Release any stress around your core. Release all your stress. Calm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Turn to one side and come up to a comfortable sitting position. Make sure whenever you are getting up, you have to turn to one side and then get up. एकदम से पीछे से सीधे उठना नहीं. Sit comfortably. Place your one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, cup your eyes, open your eyes in your hands, rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for practicing with me. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with my upcoming videos. I will see you tomorrow with the day 4. Take care. Bye-bye.